test on a diagnostic Pioneer SA-1000. It's little old school unit, like basically what's need done, need to put it new caps. This ones, this one, this ones, this ones, and little bit right there, and right here. I see. This is major thing. And second options available for this unit accept capacitor replace transistors too, and actually I can update it some parts for extra low noise transistors. It's supposed to be better performance. To do this one, we need to put it. This is all, guys. New one. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one's, and some on the bottom. I cannot see it from here. And need complete service, Jim. That's all.